how to create account in VSCO. Hey everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create your account in your VSCO app. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store and search for VSCO. Then it is a photo and video editor app. You have to install it on your device. Then you have to go for open. After that, you can continue with your Google or Snapchat. So here you can see for the many options. Also, you can sign up with your Facebook, phone, email, Google, etc. So go as per you like. After continuing it with your Google account, then you have to add your birthday here. Then go for state and continue. So to become a VSCO member, you have to pay the subscription. So for annual, it will be $19.99 per year, and for monthly, it will be $7.99 per month. So if you want to purchase the premium, you have to go for start free trial and continue. And you can add your payment by your credit card or debit card. So you have to manage your permission here and go for continue. You have to allow this all. So here you have to select your photo from your gallery and go for start editing. Here you can see you can edit the photo from here. So that's the process how you can create account in VSCO app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.